go. We're on Get Set Go. 15-minute wait.
Arms and legs inside the bugmobile.
And here's Eden. You excited?
Yes.
It's Eden's. We are. This is Eden's ride.
Down below is there something special since we got.
This is your favourite. That's good. As well as Emily Alton.
No, that's not my favourite. That's Bet's Gabby.
You see what's ahead. It's the Cbeebies app.
Right, okay. Keep your eyes closed.
The bugs are all fast asleep. Shout and clap as loud as you can to wake up the bugs.
Shout and clap.
Wake up, bugs! Wake up! Well done, everyone. The bugs are wide awake. So let's go on our way.
It's Bing and Flop again.
Can you see? I can see all of Cbeebies land. Can you see Upsy Daisy? Why don't we give her a wave? Hello, Upsy Daisy! She's in the night garden with her friends Iggle Piggle and Macca Macca. What else can you see? Ah, there's Postman Pat.
I've made a mistake and mixed up all the parcels for Greendale. Would you like to come and join my special delivery service? That would be great. I'll see you later.
You're in the first one, lad.
You see the Cbeebies bugs painting some pictures? What do you think they're painting?
A rainbow.
What sorts of things do you like to paint?
A rainbow.
The Cbeebies bugs help to look after everything that goes on in Cbeebies land. I wonder what they'll get up to next.
Dad, how to go that river?
What happens here?
You want to go down there in the river?
This is where they let the bugmobiles.
Get a bit wet.
Pop up the tyres and fill them with go-go juice, ready for their journey. Hooray! The bugs have topped up.
Hands are up.
Thank
You
you.
having fun?
Yeah.
Great journey ride in the bugmobile. There's
It's always
lots
good
to
fun.
see and do in Cbeebies land. In the Big Fun Showtime area.
This ride can get a queue in excess of an hour quite regular, so just give 15 minutes for this, you don't really mind.
Iggle Piggle.
I'd say it's a
Upsy Daisy.
Holidays in Oblivion's on 5 minutes as well, which is good. But I think we might have to leave that until tomorrow now. We're going to do the case one more time, I think.
We gotta go to Alton.
Oh, look.
What are we going on?
Star's had so much fun.
That's right.
Tired out.